In a world full of negativity, let me give you some hope. Would you like to be able to end gangsterism, save the lives of many, and create a better future for the next generation? I created a book, an ebook, called Ghetto Exodus, the Take Place Memoir. See the picture over there. It's a motivational memoir where I talk about my past, I teach to the lessons I learned, I talk about what pulled me into the negative path, what kept me there, and what eventually opened my eyes. And through my lessons, through this motivational memoir, we can together create a better future for the next generation. If you would really like to be part of the journey, if you would really like to make a difference in the lives of our youth, especially in the Take Place, then please check out Ghetto Exodus, the Take Place Memoir. Click on the link in the description or in the comments.